all our hits, but we should, being as though we're this close, only at 7 yards. Grab another magazine, pick up the pace. Got one, oh, I got 2 flyers, I think. Fingers are frozen like shit. It's a different type of trigger freeze. Look at that. I think I have a couple more mags. Got at least those 4 out. And on this one, a little more reckless.
Give me the 14, when it's 14, me kill 14, what you know about? AR-15, me class 6 speed, me dinner to start speed.